Today I'm going to make a quick video of how to replace the passenger headlight on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. Here's the replacement H11. Alright, in order to get this out, we're going to have to get this air box out and out of the way so it can reach behind here and access the light bulb. So let's go ahead and start removing this air box. Alright, we're going to use a 5/16 to loosen up the intake. Let's go ahead and do it from this side. Alright, and we'll just slide this off. Perfect. Now we're going to use some Torx screws to get these out. Alright, and these are going to be a Torx 25. There's 1, 2, 3, and I believe there's a fourth one. Right down there. So let's go ahead and get those out. Alright, once you remove all 4 screws, this cap should come undone. Just like so. Set that to the side. And we're going to pull this air filter out. And I believe this is just latched on there, so just go ahead and pull this up and just move that to the side. Now we have access to our light bulb. Go ahead and twist it and get this out. There it is. Go ahead and undo the pigtail for it. I'm gonna need both hands to get this done. Alright, and there it is. Here's the old one. LED. And we're gonna go back to halogen. So now we're gonna put our new light bulb inside the pigtail. Alright, there it is. New light bulb is inside the pigtail. Let's go ahead and get it right in here. Slide it in. Might need to work on it. Finesse it in there. Alright, and there it is, nice and secured. Let's go ahead and turn on the lights just to make sure everything's working correctly. Alright, and as you can see, I've already replaced the driver. Here's the passenger, and we're good to go. This still has high beams, LEDs. Let's give that a try. This one. Yep. Sweet. And that is how you do that. So let's go ahead and put everything back together now. Alright, and we'll put this back together to its location. Alright, I put the filter back on, put the top of the air box back on. We're going to go ahead and bolt it down. Alright, everything's back together. We're going to go ahead and put in this air intake ducting back into its place. Go ahead and secure it. And you're done. Sweet. And that is how you replace the passenger headlight on a 2008 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.